Hello everyone and welcome to my video. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the issue of unallocated space. So if you have a drive that is not showing up, this is how to fix it. First, you can go to storage. As you can see under my PC, add this PC. So this system is supposed to have 128 GB SSD and 1 TB HDD drive. But as you can see now, it's only showing the 128 GB SSD. The 1 TB HDD is missing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. If you are facing the same issue, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. So what you need to do now, you need to go to search, then search for format disk. Format disk. So now, as you create and format hard disk partition, this is what you need to open. Just click on it. So this is, you can find it here. So this management. So now you can see that this is the 128 GB that is shown. That's the SSD. You can see it is as the this, and this is the 1 TB. The missing storage is unallocated. So now you need to allocate it so that it will show up. By allocating it, you have to assign it a letter, a drive letter. So you can right click now and click on new simple volume. So now you will run through this wizard. Click next. So this simple volume size in megabytes. So this show you the megabytes you want to allocate. So since I want to allocate all the storage, so it must equal to the maximum disk size. So as you can see, it's the same size as this. So once you are sure of that, you can click next. So you need to assign the letter. So since I already have C, so the next one is D as it's shown here now. So now I need to click next. So you don't need to change anything here. So what you need to, you can edit the volume. So I want to change the volume label to internal HDD. I like to use that. So you can choose any label you want. So just anyhow. So you can leave the file system as this. So the only thing you can change here is the volume label. So now after that, you can click next. So show you the details of what you have selected and click finish. So as you can see, this thing has been fixed. You can go to this PC and find the storage there. As you can see, this is the 1 TB storage that is missing. So that's just how to fix it. If you like this video, please subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.